Alright, listen up hustlers. I know you're looking for the quickest ways to make cash online, so I'm not going to waste your time. Here are my top 7, super specific, lightning fast money-making hacks you can try today. Number 1, freelance microtasks. Sites like Fiverr or Upwork let you knock out quick gigs. Think writing, graphic design, or even voiceovers. If you've got a skill, someone out there will pay you for it. 2, online surveys and market research. Check out Swagbucks or Prolific. Yeah, you won't get rich, but it's cash for sharing your opinion while binge-watching your favorite show. 3, sell digital products. Got a knack for templates, art, or printables? Pop them onto Etsy or Gumroad and watch those downloads roll in. 4, flip stuff fast. Take unused gadgets, books, or clothes, snap a pic, and post them on Facebook Marketplace or eBay. Instant declutter and instant cash. 5, remote customer service. Companies like LiveOps or Mod Squad hire people for flexible at-home support gigs. Answer some calls, solve some problems, get paid. 6, affiliate marketing. Got a social media following? Share product links from Amazon or share a sale and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. And finally, 7, online tutoring. If you're great at math, languages, or even gaming, sites like Cambly or Preply let you teach and earn by the hour from anywhere. Remember, none of these are get-rich-quick schemes. But if you're hustling for some fast cash, these will get you started. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and let's hustle smarter, not harder. Now get out there and make that money online. Fast.